Sanket, Panchatantra.
Foolish monkey. There was a tall tree in a forest. A weaver bird had built its nest atop the tree. During the summer season, the bird, accompanied by its mate, would build a fresh nest on the tree. There also lived a lazy monkey on the tree. All it would do was to eat the fruits from the various fruit laden trees, sleep, and make merry. It never bothered about having a house of its own. At the onset of monsoon, when the rains were pouring down, the weaver bird had comfortably settled inside its newly built nest, whereas the monkey had no place to take shelter. Drenched in rain, it shivered with cold. The bird saw the plight of the monkey and told him, "I am such a small bird, yet I am building my nest. But why have you, a more sophisticated animal, not built a shelter for yourself?" Hearing this, the monkey was irritated and angry. The monkey thought that the bird was testing him and teasing him, and angrily climbed up and destroyed the bird's nest and threw it on the ground. The bird understood that good advice fails to inspire a foolish person. Moral. Moral of the story: fools never value good advice.
PT Story Channel.